Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 35 car gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Transform your wheels into a dazzling spectacle with the LED Glow 4 PC 15.5-inch million color LED wheel ring accent lighting kit. Designed to fit wheels with 15-inch brakes, its heavy-duty and versatile build ensures durability and easy installation. With waterproof light strips, enjoy vibrant colors in any weather. Complete with a control box and wireless remote, customize your ride's ambience effortlessly. Illuminate the road in style and safety with this captivating lighting kit. Number 2. Keep your screens crystal clear with the CUIUD Touchscreen Screen Cleaner Kit. This two-piece set includes a phone, tablet, and car screen cleaner. Featuring a 2-in-1 spray and microfiber cloth in charming gray and pink, it efficiently removes smudges and dirt, leaving surfaces spotless. Compact and convenient, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for maintaining your device's clarity. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this sleek and effective kit. Number 3. Revive your car's shine effortlessly with the original California Car Duster Detailing Kit. Model number 62445. Featuring a plastic handle for comfortable grip, this iconic duster swiftly removes dust and dirt, leaving your vehicle gleaming. Its vibrant red hue adds a pop of color to your detailing arsenal. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning sessions and hello to quick, effective results. Elevate your car care routine with this trusted and time-tested detailing essential. Number 4. Experience outdoor adventure like never before with the JoyTutus Pickup Truck Tent 2.0. Built for exploration, this waterproof PU 2000mm double-layer tent comfortably accommodates 2 adventurers. Its portable design fits truck beds measuring 5.5 feet -6 inches, offering a cozy retreat wherever you roam. Complete with a rainfly for added protection, this green tent is your camping essential for all seasons. Unleash your wanderlust and embrace the great outdoors with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Number 5. Unlock the power of professional diagnostics with the Launch CRP123i version 2.0 OBDII scanner. Our latest model boasts new features, including 7 resets, ABS bleeding, SAS, throttle, oil, D.P.F, EPB reset, and BAT match. With AutoVIN and FCA AutoAuth, it's never been easier to identify and resolve issues efficiently. Backed by 5 years of support, trust in its reliability for years to come. Stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technology for all your automotive needs. Number 6. Ensure your tires are road-ready with the OBDII Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This essential car accessory features a 12V DC auto pump with a digital pressure gauge, allowing for precise inflation. Its emergency LED light provides added safety during nighttime emergencies. Versatile and compact, it's also ideal for inflating bicycle tires and balloons. Don't let low pressure slow you down, trust OBDII for reliable inflation on the go. Number 7. Stay prepared for emergencies on the road with the Rescue Pack of 2 emergency keychain car escape tools. Made in the USA, these compact devices feature a 2-in-1 design with a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, ensuring a swift escape in critical situations. The safety yellow color ensures easy visibility when needed most. Keep peace of mind within reach with Rescue, your trusted companion for road safety. Number 8. Maximize your trunk space with the Deosk Car Trunk Organizer for SUVs. This versatile organizer boasts 6 pockets, offering ample storage for all your essentials. Crafted from durable waterproof polyester, it withstands the rigors of daily use. Whether you're a woman or a man, this sleek black organizer keeps your car tidy and clutter-free. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to effortless organization with Deosk. Number 9. Power up with confidence using the Noco Boost Plus GB41000A Ultra-Safe Car Battery Jump Starter. This 12V battery pack is your reliable companion for jump-starting vehicles with up to 6.0L gasoline or 3.0L diesel engines. With its compact design and included jumper cables, it doubles as a portable charger for your devices. Don't let a dead battery derail your plans. Trust the gray GB40 to get you back on the road in no time. Number 10. Secure your electrical connections with confidence using the Keychain 660 PCS heat shrink but connectors. Designed for automotive, marine, and other applications, these waterproof insulated but spliced terminals ensure reliable performance in any environment. With 660 pieces in various sizes, you'll have the right connector for every job. Say goodbye to unreliable connections and hello to peace of mind with Keychain. Ideal for automotive, marine, boat, truck, trailer, and stereo installations. Number 11. Elevate your adventure with the TOOENJOY Universal Fit Car Door Step. This foldable roof rack door step attaches to your door latch, providing a stable platform for easy rooftop access. Its sturdy design supports up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for most cars, SUVs, and trucks. Say goodbye to awkward maneuvers and hello to effortless loading and unloading. Stand tall with TOOENJOY for your next journey. Number 12. Ensure road safety with the Cartman 3-pack Warning Triangle Kit. DOT approved and identical to United States FMVSS 571-125 standards, these reflective warning triangles provide optimal visibility in emergencies. With 3 triangles in the pack, you're equipped to alert approaching vehicles and prevent accidents effectively. Compact and easy to set up, trust Cartman for your road safety needs. Number 13. Drive hands-free with the Keychain car phone holder mount. Whether on the windshield, dashboard, or air vent, this universal holder keeps your smartphone secure and accessible. Crafted with carbon fiber for durability and style, it accommodates iPhones and other smartphones with ease. Stay focused on the road while staying connected with Keychain. Number 14. Empower your vehicle diagnostics with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII skin tool. Seamlessly compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, this innovative tool offers professional-grade scanning capabilities. Uncover and interpret vehicle trouble codes, monitor live data, and perform advanced diagnostics with ease. Stay informed about your vehicle's health and performance right from your smartphone. Upgrade your car care routine with BlueDriver, the ultimate OBDII skin tool. Number 15. Take control of vehicle tracking with the Optimus GB100M GPS tracker. Effortlessly installed on your car's battery, this device provides real-time location updates for enhanced security and peace of mind. With low-cost subscription plan options, you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Stay connected to your vehicle's whereabouts and ensure its safety with the Optimus GB100M GPS tracker. Number 16. Capture every moment on the road with the REDTIGER dash cam front rear. This advanced dash camera records in stunning 4K/2.5K Full HD resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journey. With a free 32GB card included, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS functionality, you can easily review and share your recordings. Its 3.16-inch IPS screen, coupled with night vision and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, guarantees optimal visibility in any condition. Activate the 24H parking mode for added security even when you're away from your vehicle. Drive confidently knowing that every detail is captured by REDTIGER. Number 17. Revive your car's trim with the Cerakote Registered Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. This quick plastic trim restorer utilizes ceramic coating technology for long-lasting results. Transform faded black trim to a rich, deep finish that lasts over 200 washes. Unlike traditional dressings, this ceramic coating provides durable protection against UV rays and environmental damage. Elevate your car's appearance with Cerakote Registered, the ultimate solution for lasting trim restoration. Number 18. Stay ahead of tire issues with the Time8 RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System M12-3. Powered by solar energy, it offers 5 alarm modes and auto sleep mode for efficient monitoring. The system includes 6 TPMS sensors, tire position exchange, and a repeater for long-distance sensing. With easy installation and a pressure range of 0 to 87 psi, ensure optimal tire health and safety on your RV adventures with TimeMate. Number 19. Protect your vehicle with the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock. This heavy-duty anti-theft device offers universal fit and adjustable double hooks for secure attachment. Its built-in emergency hammer doubles as a window breaker and self-defense tool. With a sleek black design, rest assured your car is safe from theft and vandalism. Drive with peace of mind knowing your vehicle is securely locked with Tevlaphee. Number 20. Experience seamless reversing with the Yakry backup camera plug-and-play system. This DIY kit features a clear color image with night vision capabilities, ensuring enhanced visibility even in low-light conditions. The HD 1080p 4.3-foot monitor provides crisp visuals, while the waterproof LED camera guarantees durability in any weather. Activate or deactivate parking lines as needed for precision parking. Upgrade your driving experience with Yakry, perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even tractors. Number 21. Capture every detail on the road with the OMBAR dash cam front and rear. This advanced dual dash camera records in stunning 4K divided by 2K divided by 1080p plus 1080p resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journey. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and share your recordings via the accompanying app. Enjoy enhanced visibility at night with WDR night vision, while 24H parking mode provides added security. With a free 64GB SD card included, G-sensor, loop recording, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, OMBAR has you covered for every drive. Number 22. Stay safe on the road with the USB rechargeable LED road flares emergency lights. This roadside warning kit includes 3 beacon discs with magnetic bases, perfect for vehicles and boats. Featuring a USB rechargeable design, these LED flares offer bright flashing lights for enhanced visibility during emergencies. With multiple lighting modes and a durable construction, ensure your safety with this essential car safety beacon kit. Number 23. Protect your vehicle with the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock. This heavy-duty anti-theft device offers adjustable locking and comes with 3 keys for added convenience. Its vibrant yellow color serves as a visual deterrent, deterring potential thieves. Easy to install and compatible with various vehicles and trucks, ensure your car's security with Tevlaphee. Drive with peace of mind knowing your vehicle is safeguarded against theft. Number 24. Elevate your polishing game with the 100 PCS polishing buffing wheel for Dremel Polishing Kit. These high-quality buffing wheels, designed specifically for Dremel tools, offer exceptional polishing performance. With a 1/8 shank, they seamlessly integrate into your Dremel tool accessories. Perfect for various applications, from metal to wood, these buffing wheels ensure a smooth and professional finish every time. Upgrade your polishing kit and achieve stunning results with ease. Number 25. Experience precision cutting with the BTC 500DP 7th generation plasma cutter. Featuring a pilot arc and a 50 amps output, this cutting machine offers superior performance for various materials. With a convenient screen display and dual voltage capability, 110/220V, it provides versatility for different power sources. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, trust the BTC 500DP for accurate and efficient plasma cutting. Number 26. Enjoy your coffee wherever you roam with the AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit. This compact 3-in-1 brew method combines the best of French press, pour over, and espresso for a full-bodied brew without any grit or bitterness. Perfect for camping and travel, its small and portable design ensures you never have to compromise on quality coffee on the go. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the AeroPress Go, your ultimate travel companion for delicious coffee anytime, anywhere. Number 27. Keep your phone secure and accessible with the OBDII One Touch 5 dashboard and windshield car mount. This universal phone holder features a suction cup base and telescopic arm for versatile placement on both dashboard and windshield. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Google, Huawei, Nokia, and other smartphones, its one-touch mechanism ensures effortless mounting and release. Drive with confidence and convenience knowing your phone is safely held by OBDII. Number 28. Upgrade your vehicle's safety with the Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, Pemicom P15. This portable camera features a 7-inch DVR screen for easy installation in just 1 minute. Scratch-proof and with no delay, it ensures hassle-free operation. Enjoy clear HD 1080p resolution and night vision capabilities for enhanced visibility, even in low-light conditions. Perfect for trucks, trailers, RVs, and more. Trust Pemicom P15 for reliable rear-view monitoring on the go. Number 29. Keep your tires inflated with ease using the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This cordless electric pump features a powerful 20,000 mAh battery and can reach up to 150 psi, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. With a built-in tire gauge pressure and dual-use design, it ensures accurate inflation every time. Compact and convenient in sleek black, it's your go-to solution for tire maintenance on the go. Number 30. Achieve professional quality results with the 1600W 7-inch/6-inch rotary buffer polisher waxer. This versatile tool features a powerful motor and 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, allowing for precise control during sanding, polishing, and waxing. Its detachable handle enhances maneuverability, making it perfect for use on cars, boats, and more. Elevate your detailing game with this buffer polisher, your ultimate solution for achieving a flawless finish. Number 31. Keep your tires ready for any terrain with the all-top Air Compressor Tire Inflator Kit. This 12V portable inflator delivers a robust airflow of 7.06 feet superscript 3/min, perfect for truck tires and off-road adventures. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability, while the max 150 psi capacity caters to 4x4 vehicles and RVs. Equipped with a digital pressure gauge, precise inflation is guaranteed every time. Conquer any journey confidently with this reliable off-road air pump by your side. Number 32. Conquer any terrain with the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel in a military-style design, this entrenching tool is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're off-roading, camping, gardening, or at the beach, it's perfect for digging dirt, sand, mud, and even snow. Compact and foldable for easy storage, this versatile shovel is your go-to companion for any outdoor adventure. Number 33. Stay organized with the BlueDriver 2-pack TZ tape. These 12mm, 0.47-inch, laminated white tapes are compatible with BlueDriver touch label makers, such as the PTH110, PTD210, PTD220, and PTD600 series. Each tape provides 26.2 feet, 8 meters, of durable labeling, ensuring crisp and clear prints for your labeling needs. Simplify your labeling tasks with BlueDriver TZ tape for BlueDriver touch label makers. Number 34. Equip yourself with the electrical multimeter test lead set for precise measurements. This professional kit includes alligator clips, test hooks, and test probes leads, ensuring versatility for various testing scenarios. Rated for up to 1000 V and 10 ACAT.2, these leads provide reliable performance for electrical measurements. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, trust this kit for accurate testing and analysis in diverse electrical applications. Number 35. Upgrade your driving experience with the Valley Comfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. This universal 15-inch cover in sleek black adds a touch of luxury to any car interior. Crafted from microfiber leather, it provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, enhancing control and driving comfort. Protect your steering wheel from wear and tear while adding a stylish accent to your vehicle with Valley Comfy. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.